Hello, folks. Just a quick update. Another big day in the metals. Silver's up almost $5 on the day. It has been up a full $5. We're a little bit pullback right now. Gold's up $35, $36 on the day so far. So anyway, metals are clearly going higher, folks, in my opinion, my humble opinion. But the reason that I wanted to provide this update, what I wanted to chat about this morning. So I've been referring to this monthly chart of silver, and again, we're in the log mode of this chart, target at 170, 180 in my opinion. So what I've been waiting to see in this chart was confirmation that price was breaking above this minor, this smaller support and resistance level. I've been waiting to see price action break above that level and hopefully establish it as support. And so it hadn't occurred to me until just this morning to dive down. And of course, prices, silver's gone up another couple of bucks since the last time we looked at this chart, which was only yesterday. And so anyway, it occurred to me this morning, well, let's dive down into some lower time frames on this chart and just see what we see. And so we starting in monthly. Let's go down to the weekly, and if we reset, that just kind of adjusts the size of the price bars. And so what we can see, there's our horizontal support resistance level at 75. And so clearly we got, interaction at that level, around that level. And of course, there were, some significant machinations going on in the markets internationally around that price level. Let's go another layer deeper. So now we're down in the daily time frame, and again we reset our time frame. We reset our chart in the new time frame, and again, so we get a finer look at this is 75 again. That pink line is $75. And we can see this is the level that we're interested in, is right here. This is our minor support and resistance level in this upsloping price channel. I'm rambling a little bit this morning, folks. Excuse me. So let's go and yet another layer deeper. And so now we've gone down into the 4-hour level. And so we're within a single day session. And sure enough, looky here. Again, that's our $75 horizontal support resistance level. This is our potential minor support resistance level based on this upsloping channel. And down here in the 4-hour time frame, well, I don't know about you, but that looks like there's a energy coil, sideways consolidation, whatever language you want to use, price gathering energy for its next price move. We get a big surge higher through that potential support resistance level. Price dallies about a little bit, comes back, retests, breaks a little bit below, and then another big surge higher. And so anyway, price, in my opinion, is interacting with that level. And the key here that I'm looking for is, has price broken above this potential resistance level and established it as support? And it's not it's not exact, but we're certainly in the region. If that line was there, if that line was, what is that, 87 instead of whatever it was, we would certainly be talking about, or I'd be talking about support and resistance. We drop another level, and so here we are at the 1 hour. And again, it's even clearer at that level. There's the break above, that bar right there. There's the test from above. Is this a support level or not? We get a little bit of an overthrow to the downside, testing resistance again from below, breakthrough. Do we get another test of this level as support? Maybe. Is that the only test we got? Possibly. Silver, both of the precious metals really, but certainly silver, they're in runaway mode, in my opinion. And of course, runaway mode. There's a even bigger picture going on, in my opinion, that what we are currently witnessing is gold and silver retaking their natural role as real money. And of course, when I look at 6,000 years of human history, what I see is, for the most of that time period, human beings, without outside influences, they kind of gravitate towards gold as money, and then silver tends to become the circulating currency. And so my assumption, again, what the heck do I know, good old boy from Texas, my assumption is that, yet again, humans are going to default to what is, in my opinion, natural money. It's gold, physical gold and silver. And so what we are witnessing right now is not a price rally. Gold's going to hit $10,000 and then crash back to three. That's not at all what I'm expecting. Gold's going to go to $10,000, hang out there for a while, and then head higher. I mean, what we are witnessing is a repricing event. But anyway, I'm going to climb off my soapbox, let you guys go enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you soon, folks.